Good morning!
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel!
It is Monday and it's 9 o'clock ng umaga. Alam nyo ba, nandito kami ngayon sa Southport, Gold Coast. Umalis kami kaninang umaga sa bahay around 7:30. And nandito kami kasi may appointment si Daddy Mike para sa kanyang dentist, which I don't know bakit kailangan talaga dito sa Gold Coast na sobrang, layo, 1 hour and almost 1 hour and a half na drive. Dentist, yeah, Daddy's at the dentist. Nasa loob si Daddy Mike ngayon, guys. Actually, nag-drive kami dito sa pinakamalapit na post office kasi, alam niyo na multitasking. Alam nga naman maghintay kami doon. So, sabi ko, maghanap na lang ako ng post office kasi may kailangan ako. Yeah, Daddy, the dentist. May kailangan akong i-post. And yung post office ay mag-open ng 9. So, kaka-open lang talaga nila. Naghintay kami dito sa labas. Want strawberries? Chanini. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ipopost ko, guys.
I think that's one.
Strawberry. So, I sold this ayan, Fendi mini baguette. Ayan. So, first natin. Buti na lang naisipan ko na, ay, dalhin ko na lang doon. Ko na lang ako mag-post kaysa naman bukas pa. Wait. Ate, you want strawberry?
No. Nothing. Okay, Nini eat.
Okay, Lini will eat instead. Good girl po lang ko eh. Uy! At sobrang maulan pa, guys. Kita ba? Ay, hindi makita yung ano. Umuulan ngayon. Anak ko doon, anak. Umuulan ngayon. And mahirapan ako dito kasi ilalabas ko na naman tong dalawa. Dalhin ko sa loob. First time pa naman namin sa post office na to. So, hindi ko alam yung pasikot-sikot dyan. You gotta do what you gotta do. Come on. Eating? Yum, 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 yum. Num, 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 num. So, Nak, how are you gonna go to the beach later when it's raining?
It's raining.
Huh?
So fine, I was still going. I want to go still. I'm still going to go.
Eh, kasi nagdala sila ng kanilang baiters kasi sila mag-swimming. What is that?
Nini wants swimming suit.
A swimming suit.
Nini wants swimming suit.
Okay. You wear the swimming suit later, okay? Okay?
Orange.
Orange one. Yes, that's right.
Nini orange. Nini orange.
Yeah, the same with Ati's. Orange.
Nini
Alam
orange. Nini orange.
Yeah, Lini orange swimsuit, okay?
Nini orange. Yes.
Yes. Excited na mag-ano. You don't want strawberry now? Okay, kadali ba nag-change ang mind?
I will come.
Okay, take the seatbelt off. Okay.
Off my dress.
Okay.
My dress happy.
Okay.
Almost dress.
Imong dress lagi. Oh.
I sweat.
Huh?
No.
No? Okay.
A few moments later.
Katapos lang namin sa post office, guys. Kakalabas lang namin. At tingnan nyo, nagpaa. Ako na talaga ay nagpaa. Kasi tingnan nyo, lakas ng ulan. Ayoko mabasahin sapatos ko. Tingnan nyo yung dapa ni Ate Paris today. Nak, show me your outfit lang ba? Show me. Wow, model. Wow. Turn around. Wow. Good girl. Yeah, no, it's rain, honey. Dito na lang muna kami. Baka
Can we guys visit Daddy?
Yeah. You just have to wait, Nak.
Daddy.
What is it, Bobby? Show me your outfit, Nakbi. Show me your outfit. You very cute shoes. Ay, it's beautiful, Oh, beautiful. Magkano eh. Uy, anak ko. Don't do that. Laka na. Unsa man kay ibuton. Mag-ilong sa iyang manghod. Sana mag-slow down yung ulan ba? Was in here, Nak, ha? Come. Careful. Alam niyo ba guys, it's only 1 minute away from Daddy's dentist. Ah, ganito pala dito. Mga parso, pastilactor. Ulan pa more nak. I don't think the beach is going to happen lang. You can't go to the beach when it's like this. It's okay, we'll just go to the shopping center. Raining. Can you sing Rain, Rain, Go Away? Yay! Naunsi na do. Sige, ulanan man noon. Wow, this place is massive. Tingnan niyo, lahat mga ano. The post office.
No.
I know it's closed. Let's go back there. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, he will just call us kapag tapos na siya doon. Nak, dance for me, Nak, eh? Because your outfit is for like hip-hop dancing. Dance, Lane? Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, eh, eh. Nung first. Tingnan nyo ang laki ng butil ng ulan, guys. Oh. Sana huminto na to kasi I wouldn't wanna drive in this rain. I hate driving in the rain, guys. Especially kapag ganito, oh, burak talaga yung ulan, oh. Hindi mo na makikita yung daan ng mabuti. The road is very slippery. Sana tumahan na to. So today is like best day to stay indoors. Pero stranded daw dalawa. Careful please anak ha, matuwad gid ka anak bukol yun. Nakabayad ko lang ng parking lumabas.
Hello, kamu be.
I just put parking na di. And you're here.
That's what I was saying. I wasn't gonna be long.
Daddy's in front. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Australia, whatever, fair. Basta, shopping center, guys. Kasi 3 minutes away from, ano lang siya. Ati's with Daddy. From, dentist ni Daddy Mike. Oo. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dito sa... Bob, I need to go toilet first eh. Toilet.
Let's go. Oh, I thought we'll find something that's like.
Ganito pala dito. Something to play. We'll go toilet first, okay?
Right there, astronaut Amelia. Now, where is it in here? Here it is. I've got the tomato seeds. All right, let me just keep it in here.
Tingnan niyo yung dalawa.
Like that. All right. Let's give it a go this time. Astronaut Amelia, are you ready? Blast off on 3. 1, 2, 3. Blast off! Whoa, look at that! Astronaut Amelia, don't stop, keep going. We've got a tourist event right here in Australia. But ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Astronaut Amelia.
So cool.
Tomatoes, great. Off the tree, ready to eat. Let's give it a go. Oh no, it's not quite right. It's a bit sour. Do you want it? Do you want? Not quite right. Oh well. Great job, astronaut Amelia. One more round of applause for astronaut Amelia. Great work. Okay, so we know it works. It's not quite right. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can actually hold on to this and keep this at home, because this is super duper space powered toilet paper designed not to rip. That's for you, you can keep that. Awesome. Whoa, look at that. Now, this laser screwdriver is very sharp and dangerous. But it's not a lightsaber, mainly because we couldn't get the rights to a lightsaber. But it's very fun to go whoom, 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 ch, 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 whoom, whoom, ch. But we've got to be serious because it's very sharp and dangerous. Now, like a lightsaber, this thing can cut through anything really easily. Just give this a little try. Laser screwdriver through a balloon. Maybe block your ears just in case. And 1, 2. You guys as nervous as I am. I'm freaking. You're not the one with a balloon and a laser screwdriver in your hand. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Ladies and gentlemen, laser screwdriver through a balloon, right here, an Australian Fair. Thank you very much. Alright, maybe I'm going to put this thing away before my dad sees it. I need you to tell me, does that one look like it's bubbling up a bit? It looks like it's a bit bubbly? That is good, that's exactly what we want. And let's spray it. Right here, go ahead, walk through the zero gravity liquid. Okay, we're running out of time here, Astronaut Joy. Could you just stand over there for me, thank you? Wonderful. And lay down right there. You comfortable? Awesome. Now, what I need you to do is when we're flying, keep your arms up like Superman, just like that. But do a nice, tight burrito. Like this. Ladies and gentlemen, Astronaut Joy should be taking flight right about now. Any moment. And just breathe, Astronaut Joy. Keep your arms up. Good job. It's flying right here in Australia Fair. Keep those arms up nice and high. And how about that, ladies and gentlemen? Astronaut Joy, floating right here in Australia. Back down to her, right about now, ladies and gentlemen. Those arms up. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Astronaut. And let's put you back down onto the safety table. Okay, and we'll unwrap you right there. Then we put your platform back, and you can take a step back onto the line.
Hi. Let's not go first.
Maghahanap kami ng food court, guys. Ang makakainan namin. Sila na talaga ang magkahawak kami. Daddy, I think that's the exit now, yeah? Yeah, go around. Food court na kami. Alam niyo ba yung food court nila dito ay sobrang liit lang pala, guys. Tingnan niyo. KFC, McDonald's, kebab, Subway. So, kung ano na lang meron. KFC pa more. See, overlooking the bakod. Eat.
Have it.
Wipe your hands, Fe.
The chicken's leg.
I don't say that to this monster. Sit next to Ate. I thought they're gonna have a Chinese restaurant here or something like restaurant. Na-change yung plano namin, guys.
I don't have any straw.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan nung nasa Gold Coast kami, guys. And then, pupunta sana kami doon sa Pacific Fair Shopping Center. And pag-desisyonan namin na wag na lang, nag-U-turn kami para umuwi na lang kami ng Brisbane. So, now, have a look. We're at Area 51. choose lang. Okay. Next order. Okay, you choose lang. Which one? Which one? Oh, which one? Push. Push. Here, see? Which one? Hot? Hot? Okay, hang on. Okay, done. Do you want hot? Look.
Okay, by the way.
Wow.
I didn't touch it. No, you just watch it.
Nini!
I think I know which one I'm gonna get.
What would you like, Georgie?
Which one are you gonna get? No. Yeah, you said it.
Nini's hot.
I know.
Wow.
I want to.
What would you like, ate?
Maybe I'll tell you.
Yes. Nini, what happened? Kaya nga, it's yummy. Nawala na ang shape. Where are you going? Look at that Paris.
I'm getting a copper.
Oh my God, so beautiful. Look, get it, ate. Where? Wow. Ulit lang.
Can you get it? That's
Let's take a photo, Lambe. Final 5 minutes.
It's slowly.
Lini! Lala. Tingnan niyo yung laruan ng mga kids. Nak, put it down lang. Oh, see. Tingnan niyo. Super cool. Nak, just leave it lang.
Let them
Wow.
play all around.
And then, on our way home, guys, ito siya ay umiiyak. So, I was wondering kung anong problema. So, nag-stop ako para check out kung bakit siya umiiyak, guys. And guess what? Nung nag-stop kami doon, malapit pala yun sa, alam mo yung may
There's still more.
lagayan ng mga
There's
donation. Tapos yung matandang babae, may bit siyang mga ano, sabi niya, nakita niya kasi ako sa nilabas kasi baby Celine kasi umiiyak. Tapos sabi niya, would you like this for your little ones? Tingnan nyo, itong mga laruan. Ang daming puzzles.
no, we need
Yan yung
it.
nilalaro nila ngayon. Tapos meron pa dito. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na it's really amazing talaga na yung one decision that you make like leads you to something. Kasi kung hindi kami nag-stop kasi umiyak si Baby Celine, ay wala kaming magiging ganito ngayon, o diba? O, may extra laruan yung mga kids. Hindi ba dito sobrang dami ng laruan, guys. But ito pa ba yung bibilhin mo? Na, you know, yung mga kids, marami pang mga laruan dyan na hindi pa na-open. But para sa kanila kasi kapag bago sa kanilang paningin, parang na-excite sila, ganun. So, kung hindi kami nag-stop doon, wala sanang ganito. Tingnan nyo, grabe, sobrang daming na ano, binigay, Kasi ano lang sana niya, i-donate niya doon ba? Oh, another puzzle. Grabe, lahat mga puzzles. Just color.
Oh,
Got this. Look, this is so cool. Nak, build your own volcano. This one. See, maybe we can do it with Daddy later. You know, we'll make lava. Will erupt.
you mean like an experiment?
Yeah, like an experiment, yeah.
Like you make your own thing?
Another one here. It's 48-piece jumbo floor puzzle.
That's what I do.
Ang laki-laki.
I mean, I thought no.
Here.
Okay.
Ito is,
Keep them safe.
this one, some building
This will
stuff.
keep them safe.
Ayan. Ayun lang. Ayun. But this one is the, most fun for me, ha? Kasi tingnan nyo, may ganyan. Kapag wala itong coral na to, guys, yung fence na to,
We have to play
what
every.
happened to you? Hair lang, walang kabog.
Wow.
It's so funny because like Paris, this one is very fast, guys. Tapos, pumunta sa ilalim ng couch.
It went out of the couch and then here and then it came
Paris
out.
was like, Mommy, you went out of the couch. She was so worried kasi pumunta sa ilalim ng couch, hindi namin makukuha ba. But it's like this, kapag nakabangga siya, nag-U-turn. So, ayun, bumalik siya. It came back na kaya.
Yeah, I went here and then
Ano to, nag-start sa iyang kwan, oh.
I can't catch you. I can't catch you.
I'm so blessed, eh.
Hey, I can't catch you. Okay, okay, I got you.
They're different.
How they different?
Look at me, ate.
Mommy, mommy.
Look at me, Lini.
Daddy.
Katapos lang mag-dinner, guys. Finish mo na. Good girl, Lini.
Hold it.
Tingnan nyo. Ubos man ang lam ni Lini.
I want try.
No, it's okay lang. Just leave it there so Ate can watch as well.
I need to watch now.
Look at my eyes.
I hold it.
Like this one.
I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
You wanna hold it? How about Ate? Ate will wanna watch too.
I want to hold it.
No.
Hello, talaga angry na Show Daddy your belt.
Show Daddy happy. Show Daddy happy face. Happy Lini. Sad Lini?
Tingnan yung mukha. Guys, just color. Ginamit ang stamps nila guys ng mukha. Oh.
Angry Lini.
Kamay.
Angry
Mukha.
Daddy?
No.
Have a
Daddy.
shower. After dinner.
Zombie Daddy. Mermaid Daddy.
No. 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 No.
Look, Daddy zombie.
No. No.